Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Form to ClickUp. Whether you're managing team workflows, collecting responses, or simply want to save time by automating task creation, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Once you're there, sign up or log in with your preferred account, such as Gmail or Facebook. After logging in, you'll land on your organization dashboard, where you'll see the option for scenarios. Click on Templates, then search for the template labeled Create ClickUp Tasks from New Google Form Responses. Selecting this template will allow you to automate task creation every time a new response is submitted on your Google Form. Next, set up your connections. Click on Create New Scenario from Template, and connect your Google Forms account first. Then, select the spreadsheet, then the sheet and limit. After that, connect your ClickUp account by authorizing it, selecting your workspace, space, folder, and list. You'll also be able to map the fields from your form to your ClickUp tasks, such as assigning a task name, description, or any other relevant information from the form responses. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure each field. It's very user-friendly and requires no technical expertise. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Google Form is ready and responses are being collected, and confirm your ClickUp workspace and list exist beforehand. Doing this prevents errors and ensures your automation runs smoothly from the start. Once you've completed these steps, click Continue, then Save, and run a test to make sure everything works. After that, every time someone submits a Google Form, a new task will automatically appear in ClickUp without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically check your scenario in make.com to ensure it's running correctly and update mappings if your form changes. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create ClickUp tasks from Google Form responses easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to automate their workflow. Why not make someone's day easier?